There once was a duck named Mr. Quackers. Mr. Quackers was an average duck, but he had a cough. Mr. Quackers, he needed to be healed, so he called upon the mystical fairy. "Mystical fairy, this is Mr. Quackers. I need some help. Help me." And then the fairy came down, flying as she did. "Mr. Quackers, do you need my help?" "Yes, help me. I need to cure my cough." "Well, Mr. Quackers, you have to go on to a grand adventure to find the Lion King. The Lion King can cure you of your cough." "Oh, really? That's so cool." "Yes. Now, first you must get the buns of the great Lord Hot Dog, and then you must travel through the icy mountains of Ridgetopia to find the thingy of icy things to give as tribute to the Lion King." "Oh, really? That's so cool. I'll do that right away." And so the fairy left, and Mr. Quackers started his journey to her the buns.